my way to Makati today. So we're gonna run some errands. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to the Universal Holiday Inc. dyan sa may Dusit Tani. Kasi ipapasa ko yung multiple entry visa application ng wife ko. So, apparently, the good thing naman with UHI is pwede naman pala na ang magpasa is the proxy. So, that's what I'm going to do kasi may pasok ang aking wife today. Sama kayo sa akin. Complete naman lahat ng requirements ko. So, I have it here dito sa envelope ko. Verify ko na siya and just to make sure kasi ang layo ko guys. I'm from Cavite pa. So, when it comes to the requirements, number one is of course the visa application form. You have your birth cert, your passport, your itinerary, ano ba? ITR, bank certificate, and bank statement. Kung yung bank certificate yun, does it have yung 6 months average daily balance? Pero alam nyo, sobrang hirap na kasi kumuha ng slot dun sa VFS for Japan. Good thing UHI, nag-o-offer pa rin sila. Tapos they are on promo. Parang less than 1,000 pesos lang to. So, yeah, I'll tell you more about it. Pero samahan nyo muna ako for our solo errand today. We're done. That was fast. Actually, drop off lang naman din kasi siya. Sobrang convenient kasi mayroon na sila ng visa center in a website where they check everything that you need to submit para mas mabilis come here. For the requirements, you just have the usual one. By the way, the birth cert is optional. Kung meron na kayong visa before, you wouldn't really need it anymore. I'm still checking where we should go. I think we should go One Ayala kasi hindi ko pa na-explore yung mall na yun. Pero I wanna check appliances din kasi we are in the process dun sa pag-build ng house namin. Merienda muna tayo. We're here in Taco Bell. I'm just getting chicken. Beef quesadilla, nachos with beef. Merienda. Beef quesadilla. Masarap sa chicken. So, we're here in Torrey. Titingin lang tayo ng mga pwede nating bilhin. Ano mo tayong hinahanap talaga specific. Yeah, but everything is cute here and everything is functional. I was thinking of buying something that we can use for camping. Kasi, naghahanap lagi yung wife ko ng mga pwede naming paglagyan ng gamit. For camping, let's see. For food, this one we have this. Matibay, pero the clear one. Gusto ko sana ng pan, pero ayoko kasi ng ganito. I prefer na yung ano lang talaga siya. Yung silver na. Kaso, all the pans that they have are ganyan. Wala sila yung silver lang. And medyo mahal din siya. Well, actually, hindi pala. Kasi 750. Pero wala pa kasing cover tong mga to eh. Tsaka puro ganito. Guys, kasi kahit sabihin nilang non-stick, ang tendency naman niya is nakakanggal din yung mga ito. This one, guys, is very helpful. Lalo na pa nagpiprito kayo, so kunin nyo yan. 219 yung pinakamalaki na. Sobrang helpful niya talaga. Pag nagpiprito, hindi siya tatalsik. This one, yung Encool collection nila is really good. Kasi talagang kahit labhan mo, malamig pa rin siya. Meron yung mga kids dito eh. Yung mga cats. Guys, alam nyo, realization ko, sobrang mahal ng cortina. Kasi yung bahay namin, we have this huge window dun sa pag namin. Ang mahal ng cortina, guys. Parang yung ganito. So, for $490 isang panel. It's very expensive. Pero wala mo tayong choice. The kids have the gray one and the blue one, which is both maganda talaga kasi kahit na matagal na nilang ginagamit and nilalaban ko, wala akong nagiging issue. So, sulit yon. Meron din kami ng mga for pillowcase. Tagal na rin yun, guys. Hindi naman nagiging issue kasi talagang malamig pa rin sila. For the Nitori items, the good thing is yung mga ina-advertise nila is really good. So, yung mga end-pull nila, tumatagal yan kahit laman nyo. So, sulit for that. Pero syempre, yung mga items din medyo mas mahal dito. Mas makukuha nyo ng mura. I don't know, pero I've been to Japan several times. Wala akong nakikitang Nitori doon. So, baka hindi ko lang nakikita sa Tokyo, sa Osaka, Kyoto, within that area. Pero wala talaga akong nakikita doon. So, nakita ko dito yung Nitori. Natuwa ako. I think the first one is in BGC. I'm in Glorieta right now. Hinahanap ko yung parang stone na basahan. Para paglabas mo ng shower, matutuyo ka agad siya, quick dry. Nakabili ako nung dito before. Kaso nung lumipat kami, we had to dispose it. Let's see if meron pa. Yan, this is the one. Yan, sobrang useful din ito. Hindi na kayo magbabasahan, yan yung gagamitin nyo. Pero I was hoping sana kasi dumihin yung white. Pero mukhang yan lang yung meron, but it's fine. We'll buy this na. Pero let's try it. Sige, try it natin. Try me daw. Kaso wala na to. Sayang, I can't try it. So, let's get this na. This is 700 pesos. But if you're buying this, guys, lagyan nyo ng basahan sa ilalim para mas safe siya, especially if meron kayong senior citizen. Ayaw natin silang madulas eh. It's a bit heavy, so babalikan ko siya later kung pauwi natin pag wala na akong dadaanan. Kasi nga meron akong trigger finger and frozen shoulders. That's why nagpa-therapy ako. So, hindi ko siya kayang bitbitin ngayon kung maglalakad pa ako. Burn pepper lunch. Dinner na tayo. Lakas ng ulan. Sobra. Dapat sa house nakakakain. Pero, dahil malaki. Hey guys, so I'm here na sa car. Nagpapatila lang ako ng ulan before tayo umuwi. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ng sunod-sunod kasi medyo dumami na yung tao here sa Glorieta. But I thought, I'll walk you through the Japan visa requirements na sinabmit namin. So Japan visa has recently, the procedure for applying has recently changed. You have two options ngayon. The first one is yung magbubook kayo sa VFS. The problem with that is sobrang hirap talaga guys kumuha ng slot. Parang kami ng wife ko, we've been booking for the last few months. Not few months, pero noong April. Basta simula nung nagkaroon ng change dun sa procedure. Pero sobrang wala kaming makuhang slot. So sabi ko, I'll check if meron pa rin accredited. And the good thing is, accredited pa rin naman si UHI. So sorry tumitingin ako sa phone ko. I just wanna make sure kasi na mabigay ko sa inyo yung mga kailangan talaga. So this one is for tourist visa application. It will apply kung nag-apply ka ng single entry or ng multiple entry. So the first requirement that you need is hanap ka muna ng slot sa VFS Global. If not, you can go to UHI. That's Universal Holidays Inc. You can go to their page kasi kailangan mo mag-sign up sa website. So you're not gonna go directly kay UHI and submit the requirements there. Pang nangyayari guys is meron silang team na nag-check muna ng mga requirements na isasubmit ninyo. And ang maganda dun is, dino-double check talaga nila kung may kailangan kayo or hindi. Parang for Jamie, 2 beses atang nag-feedback sa kanya sa application form kung may na-miss siya or kung may kulang. So that's very helpful. For the visa, we got it for less than 1,000 pesos kasi naka-sale sila. But I'm not too sure how much the regular price is kasi. So, just reach out to them if you wanna know kung magkano yung regular price. Now, aside from that, just the first thing that you need to do, secure muna kayo ng slot or contact UHI or other travel agencies. The second thing that you need to do rather is fill up the application form. Now, the application form, if you need guidance, punta lang kayo sa Google, may mga sample application forms doon that you can definitely fill up din para hindi kayo malito sa para hindi kayo malito sa mga ibang details na kailangan. But pretty much basic lang din naman siya. You will also need your itinerary. So sa itinerary nyo guys, day 1, yung date, what are the places that you want to visit, where you are staying. May format din sa UHI dyan. Next would be certificate of employment if you are employed, ITR, and bank certificate. Now with the bank certificate, this has changed. You have to ensure na 6 months ADB, average daily balance, yung mag-reflect sa bank certificate ninyo. Before kasi okay na sila ng 3 months. If hindi siya magsi 6 months, please ensure na makapagbigay din kayo ng bank statement for the last 6 months. You also need a photo. Just tell them it's for your Japan visa. Alam na yan ng mga photo studio para isama nyo kasi ididikit nyo yan sa application form. Now, for first-time applicants, you will need a birth certificate. Pero kung na-issuehan na kayo ng visa before ng Japan, you don't need the birth certificate anymore. Okay? Yun lang naman na mga kailangan nyong i-submit, guys. If may flight na kayo, I suggest you include that too. Meron mong mawawala. Kasi that's exactly what I did no first time ko nag-apply ng Japan visa. I remember the first time I had my Japan visa because this is my 3rd time applying. So my first one was single entry, then multiple entry. Yung first time ko talagang sinama ko yung flight kasi malakas ang loob ko noon. Nag-book na ako ng flight. Approve naman, single entry yon. And then, nag-multiple entry ako, nag-expire after 5 years. After 5 years uli, ayun, mayroon uli akong Japan visa. Good luck. I know it's gonna be medyo hassle unlike before. Ang hirap kasi mag-book talaga guys sa VFS. So, check kayo ng mga travel agency. I hope you enjoyed our vlog today. If may questions kayo, comment down below. Comment lang kayo. I'll try to answer as much as I can.